Solaire's back in Elden Ring Nightreign. Dark Souls costumes are stealing the show in this co-op adventure. Ready to suit up and slay? Let's dive in. What's good, gamers? Welcome to GadInsider. Elden Ring Nightreign drops May 30th, 2025, and it's bringing iconic Dark Souls costumes to its multiplayer chaos. Nightreign's overview trailer dropped on May 2nd, 2025 via Bandai Namco's YouTube has Souls fans hyped. You can deck out your Nightfarers with Dark Souls Classic, earned with Merc at the Small Jar Bazaar. Wilder rocks the Faram set from Dark Souls 2, Guardian shines in Solaire's Armor of the Sun, and Iron Eye channels Bloodborne's Hunter look. Game Rant adds Ringfinger Leonhard's Dark Souls 3 set for extra flair. These full skins don't mix and match, but they're pure nostalgia. Unlocked in-game, no microtransactions. Why is this awesome? Nightreign's a co-op roguelite with a shrinking Limveld map, blending Elden Ring's combat with Fortnite-style chaos. Dressing as Solaire or a Bloodborne Hunter adds swagger to your 3-player squad. Sources know the costumes are cosmetic, so stats say the same, but who cares when you're praising the sun? Nightreign launches on PS4, PS5, Xbox, and PC for $40, with a deluxe edition teasing DLC characters and bosses. You'll fight in 30-minute runs, picking from 8 Nightfarers like Wilder or Duchess, each with unique skills. The catch? No duo co-op. It's solo or 3 players only. Expect more Dark Souls skins post-launch, maybe Bloodborne's Hunter set getting a precise match. Pre-order now for an exclusive emote, and get ready for Jolly Corporation. Ready to rock Solaire's armor? Pre-order Nightreign at vandanumcoent.eu and visit GadInsider.com for the full story. Subscribe to GadInsider for more gaming news. Hit that like button and comment your favorite Dark Souls look.